Well, I'll tell you, the sun caught my head, Claire, for starters anyway. I can testify to the good weather conditions out there.
And your whole family are big into the ploughing, so tell us who's ploughing this week, and your dad is judging as well.
Dad's judging, myself's ploughing, Dennis here is ploughing behind us, and I have a sister ploughing as well this week.
So what's your sister ploughing in?
She's ploughing novice, junior novice class.
Okay.
So she's hoping to do well as well and bring home another medal for us.
Very good.
Our theme is genomics, and then it's to educate farmers about Irish Angus beef and their benefits and the consumer.
Just wanted to be involved and raise money for charity that year. Every combine owner that year brought €1,000 with each combine. So it was an awful lot of money to start with there with just the combines before sponsorship or anything like.